Hey. Hey. What's that? Hey, Mama.
That made out.
Good morning, y'all. Y'all see the little queen? Well, the little princess.
Yes. I'm the queen. Queen B.
Little princess.
She's drinking her bottles.
We're about to head to go get her
one-year-old
pictures taken. And it's early in the morning. It is 7:46.
Yeah.
And we have to get it in. Our photographer works shift work at the plant.
Oh, she poo-poo. Oh, Mylah.
That's always an awesome sign. She has a good bowel movement.
Great.
So Mom has to go change her. And we'll be preparing to head over to get her pictures taken. Do you see her? Say hey. See how much she's grown?
She's one already, y'all. Well, she'll be one on the 25th. So today is Monday. Her party is Saturday. So we're gonna vlog kind of this week, trying to prepare for the party. I have one of my good friends, you know, doing the whole party, so I can't wait to see the decorations and all that. So yeah, today's day one of prepping for her birthday party.
So with that being said, y'all stay tuned and keep up with us. So we have everything. See the balloons back there? You see Mylah Claire, y'all? Look at Mylah. She's so excited. She is so beautiful and she is growing up so fast. Seemed like it was just yesterday she was born. Now she's about to be one.
Yep.
That's a proud mom right there.
Yeah, that's me.
Up at 5 o'clock getting stuff together. That's how you gotta be. So y'all, we at the site and getting these pictures. You see we getting Mylah set up. My wife is undressing her daughter in the middle of nowhere with mosquitoes.
She yawning.
But the one thing I want to say, y'all, is if y'all ever in Louisiana, he may even travel.
Come on.
And you're looking for a great photographer,
Come on.
this is my big cuz, my Rick James Photography.
What's up, y'all? We're
gonna leave his description and his link in the description box below. Y'all can hit him up.
Okay.
And y'all can get these pictures. She's like, why y'all gotta be sitting in this cake? Get it, Mom. Get it. Get it, Mom. Get it, Mom.
This is all too new for her. Uh-oh. Alright, y'all, it is Thursday night. I didn't vlog Tuesday through today because this is our first time we're doing something for Mylah's party. So we're doing a team effort and we're cutting out these candy bar labels and water bottle labels. This is going to be some of the favors to give out at the party. So Dad and brother is helping get that together for tomorrow. No, Saturday. While Mylah's over there. You see the camera? Hey, tell him hey. Say hey. Can you stop pulling me, please? Can you please stop pulling me, please? Okay, say good night. Tell him bye, Mama. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Alright guys, so today is the day of the party. So we have been ripping and running. It's what, 12:30? 12 o'clock. We're supposed to be at the building for 12 o'clock to set up, and it's here. You want to know why we're still here? It's pouring down. Raining. And the dad award goes to this guy here. He's soaking wet, trying to load up the truck, cook the food, do stuff. Y'all, that's her high chair that I borrowed from a coworker, and this banner was made. Loved it. So we're trying to hurry up and rush to get to the thing in the rain. So yeah, that's why I really haven't vlogged. This has been a busy day. So, yeah.
When the night is over,
It's your first birthday party. Yum, 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 yum. All right, we just get in the car. We're running late. 1:45. Party starts at 2 o'clock. We said we'll stop and get ice. So it's been ripping and running, and it's like, man, it don't stop. But we all got shirts made. Mine says Queen B. Theirs says Biggest Sister B. Big Brother B. Big Sister, her say Biggest Sister, sorry.
Mine say Big Brother.
Big Brother, his says Biggest Brother. So, and then his says Daddy B. So we're the B family today.
You're out.
Father God, we thank you for this gathering on the day. Thank you for the great celebration of our granddaughter. And Lord, we thank for all those that came out, those to be a part of this celebration, oh God, in the name of Jesus. Bless the food for those that took time out to prepare. Let it be a blessing with the new trouble body. For this we ask in Jesus' name, we pray. And say amen.
All right, fake block the counter, baby. It's all recording? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, Mylah, I love you so much.
Wait, it didn't smash it.
No, it didn't smash it off.
Okay.
It didn't smash. You're supposed to put it all in her face, bro. There you go.
Here we go. Let's do like we did the other day. You ready? Get it. There she goes.
Is I in? Oh, yeah.
They're so wrong. They're so wrong.
Let me see how it tastes.
what does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?
Mylah. Mylah, it's your birthday, mama. Wake up. Mylah. Mickey Mouse, wake up, mama. Wake up, mama. Mylah. Oh, somebody's sleeping hard this morning. She don't want to wake up. Happy birthday, Mylah.
Happy birthday to you.
Come on, y'all, let's sing to her.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mylah. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Mylah's like, it's too early for this. What are y'all doing? Oh, there she goes, smile. Happy birthday, Mama. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, be sure to subscribe. And we will see y'all in the next video. Tell them bye, Mylah.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes, sir.